This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to be reading some melodies that are written either in the key of G major or E minor. Of course, we're reading those in first position as that is the focus of this lesson series. So it's going to be great. This video accompanies lesson 11 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 70 and 71. We're going to be doing songs 7 through 12. So 6 songs that we get to read together. It's going to be super fun working on these notes. In this video, it's the first time we've read melodies in the key of G major. And with the key of G major and E minor, we have one sharp, F sharp. In the last video, we worked on playing scales in the key of G major and E minor in preparation for reading these melodies. But let's just go ahead quickly and review where our F sharp notes are located, because every time we play an F note, we're going to be playing it as F sharp. We've got that F sharp written there in the key signature. We have 3 places where F notes are located on the guitar in first position. We've got that F note, 3 ledger lines below the staff. We've got the F on that middle space, and we've got the F on that top line. So on the guitar, that lowest one, the F sharp, is located at the 2nd fret of that low 6th string, 1 fret higher than the F natural. So we got F sharp there. Then we got that F sharp that's at the 4th fret of the 4th string. And then we have the F sharp that's at the 2nd fret of the top string. Remember to use your pinky when you play the F sharp on that 4th fret of the 4th string, and we want to use, of course, our middle finger when we're playing the F sharps that are located on those 2 outer strings at the 2nd fret. Okay, so that's where F sharp is. We're just going to go ahead and play these melodies. We've been playing so many melodies that we should be ready to read these and now start incorporating reading melodies where we've got that F sharp happening in the key signature for the key of G major or E minor. With these, remember that when we have 8th notes happening, that we're using alternate picking. So like on number 7, it starts with that B note. We're going to go down, up, down. So we want to use with the rhythm, we're going to be using everything that falls on a beat with a down pluck, and anything that falls in between the beat because of those 8th notes, we'll be using an up pluck. You can also, if you want to, break away from the rhythmic thing and start just alternating all the time. If you prefer to do that, that is okay as well. So we've got these songs here. Anytime we've got those 8th notes, though, at least be using the alternate picking. We want to have that happening. And it's just going to be fun. We're going to go ahead and play these melodies together. Each one's going to happen at 2 different tempos, of course, like normal, at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. If you're tripping and struggling through part of the melody, you want to pause that video, work on getting that part down, and then play along with the video again. But it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and play these melodies together. Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. I love reading melodies, especially when we get to play with an ensemble like the jam along that you and I get to have here with the band on these videos. So in the next video, we're going to do the last 3 songs that are found with lesson 11 in the note reading book. So numbers 13, 14, and 15. It's going to be super great. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.